Hi everyone. It's good to be busy. Wait, pause, think. Is it so important that we sacrifice so many things, ignore so many factors to cope up our busy schedule? Work is required to survive, sometimes due to commitment or social cause. We all have to work to live. But nowadays, most of us are living to work. Our daily activities are required to survive, to fulfill the basic human needs. But over the period, work became obsession, a result-oriented activity, a race to prove oneself. And in this race, we have lost the joy of living. We all have made our lives so busy and complicated. Sometimes we don't even realize the real meaning of a happy and healthy living. I don't say one should not work hard to make a career, but not at the cost of personal relationships. In the times of me, we all have invisible walls around us where we feel comfortable and happy. Very often it is called space. Giving space to one another is good move, but when it leads to gaps between family members or friends, it should be curtailed. We all must work upon keeping the right balance between professional and personal life, personal space and relationships, family and friends, work and joy, busy and free time, and so on. We all make a career, establish business, gather property, accumulate wealth, and then what? There is no end to all these things. What is the use of comfort if one doesn't get time to enjoy it? What is the use of money if there is no time to spend it? What is the use of planning a holiday if there is no opportunity to spend time with family or friends? What is the meaning of family when we don't have time to help a family member when there is a need? It is time to think and get slow in life. There is enough for us to live comfortably. There is a limit to our needs, but not to our wants. Of course, choice is personal. Let's give another chance to us. Let's pay more attention to interpersonal relationships. Let's work to live, not live to work. Any work which is done with total dedication brings about the maximum positive result. That means dedicated work is more desirable compared to amount of work. So we must learn how to manage our work and profession so that we can enjoy perfect professional and personal life. We should strive for a life which is filled with love, happiness, joy, and satisfaction. And we have to find it ourselves. Nothing is difficult in life. We need to plan and set our priorities in life. As this quote also tells, the essence of happy and free life. A child can teach an adult three things: to be happy for no reason, to always be busy with something, and to know how to demand what he or she wants as forcefully as possible. Finally, take time to do what makes your soul happy. Happy souls stay in healthy bodies. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.